Assalamualaikum. First of all, thank you for giving me these opportunities of share about myself. My name is Shoilana. I am currently studying textile engineering at Daffodil International University, and I am now in my fifth semester. I have completed my higher secondary certificate in 2020. 2020 from another degree college, and also I have completed SSC in 2019 Nadwarbara KBML Uচ্চ বিদ্যালয়. My hometown is Shirazganj, which is beautiful and peaceful, that I am very proud of. Studying at Daffodil International University has been a great learning experience for me. I have learned not only technical knowledge in textile engineering, but also discipline, teamwork, and communication skill. The university has taught me how to think creatively, particularly, and prepare myself for the real industrial environment. I choose textile engineering because Bangladesh textile and apparel industry is one of the strong sector of our economy, and I want to be a part of its innovation and development. I am particularly interested in areas like fabric manufacturing, dyeing, and finishing, and quality control. In terms of skill, and consider myself a hard-working, curious, and responsible person. I have good communication skill, and I enjoy working in a team environment. I also have knowledge of data analysis and technical report writing, and my career goals is to become a skilled textile engineering and work in a reputed textile or garments industry where I am apply my knowledge and gain real world experience. In my free time, I like spending time with my family and friends. If I get a laptop from Daffodil International University, it can help many ways for my study, skill development, and career growth. Academic benefits in online class and assignment. I can attend Zoom or Google Classroom easily. Practical skill development like AutoCAD, Photoshop, or tools related to your development. Career development, freelancing, and remote job opportunities. You can work on platform like Fiverr or Upwork. In the terms of extracurricular and co-curricular activities, textile club, I joined to learn about now new technologies, seminar, and industrial visit. Inter-university competition, participate in textile quiz, presentation, and project competition. Thank you.